children, today we are going to start with chapter 8, that is social religious movement in India. So let's study about the prevalent religions over here, right? What is Bhakti movement? So medieval period was of great importance in the religious development of India during this period. Many religious ideas practice came into existence. So हमें दो most popular beliefs देखने को मिलते हैं. One is Bhakti and another is Sufi. Through these religion movement have been evolving. So prevalent religious beliefs and ideas. People worship different god and goddess. देखो लोग जो हैं वो अलग अलग gods और goddess को worship करते हैं. They believe that all living beings pass through countless cycles of birth and rebirth. People could be free from these cycles. और वो क्या कर सकते हैं, डिफरेंट गुड डीड्स को परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. दे ऑल्सो बिलीव दैट ह्यूमन बीइंग वर नॉट कंसिडर्ड इवन एट बर्थ. सो दे थॉट दैट सोशल प्रिविलेजेस केम थ्रू द बर्थ in at noble family or on the high caste. What are the criticism of the prevalent religion ideas? So social order that have many equal social castes, lower caste were oppressed by the upper caste. Upliftment हो रहा था lower caste का and quality among social group could be attained only by rejection of prevalent religious beliefs and practices. People were uneasy with the religious sacrifice and practice. Some of them become Buddhist or Jain, according to which it was possible to break the cycle of birth and rebirth through personal effort. So what happened? There are some other people that were attracted to the idea of supreme God could free humans from such bondage, and it is approached by the devotion of bhakti. The teacher of bhakti or Sufism wanted to free the right of worship of God from the Brahman. So they rejected the idea of elaborated rituals. Local myths and legends become the part of Quranic stories, and Qurans recommend that it was possible for devotees to what receives the grace of God regardless of their caste status. Bhakti means person loving devotion to her choice right. It comes from the Sanskrit term had, meaning to divide or share. This refers to the close and two-way relationship between the deity and the devotee. The devotee or the bhakt shares his or her chosen deity Bhaga. For example, the Bhakti Gita, Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna asked Arjuna and his devotee to abandon all dharms and take refuge, because only he can set Arjuna free from every evil. So what happened? We have deities like Shiv, Vishnu, Durga now worshipped through Bhakti. The main tenets of Bhakti and Sufi movements. कौन-कौन थे? Let's study about Bhakti movements and Sufi movement. तो Bhakti movement में believes in the idea of किसमें believe करते हैं? Supreme God. ये towards one and all. ये रिजेक्शन करते हैं कास्ट सिस्टम का, रिजेक्ट करते हैं आउटवर्ड रिलीजियसिटी को. जील टू ब्रेक द साइकिल ऑफ बर्थ एंड रीबर्थ. ये रिजेक्शन करते हैं कोड्स ऑफ बिहेवियर प्रिस्क्राइब्ड बाय द मुस्लिम स्कॉलर्स. एम्फेसाइज करते हैं लव, डिवोशन एंड कंप्लीट सरेंडर ऑफ गॉड. ये एम्फेसाइज करते हैं, ये भी एम्फेसाइज करते हैं लव, डिवोशन एंड कंप्लीट सरेंडर टू गॉड. ये रिजेक्शन करते हैं एलाबोरेट रिचुअल्स का, ये रिचुअल्स का. पोएट्री, हिम्स, म्यूजिक एंड डांस वर वे टू रिमेन इन टच विद डिवाइन, एंड हेयर आल्सो सेम वाज देयर. यहाँ पे लोकल लैंग्वेज का, यहाँ रिचुअल्स, कलेक्टिव प्रेयर्स का यूज कर जाता था. वर्शिप ऑफ गॉड ईदर विद फॉर और विदाउट फॉर्म, एंड हेयर बिलीव्स इन क्वालिटी एंड ब्रदरहुड. Rejection of inequality and participation of people, questioning the authority and rejection of mediator between human being and God. Saints of the Bhakti movement. Saints जैसे Alvars and Narayans. The Bhakti movement in South India was spread by Alvars and Narayans. They preach personal devotion to God. Alvars were devotee of Vishnu and Vaishnavism, और जो Narayans थे ये किसके devotee थे? शिवा के. And preachers of the Bhakti movement in the South India could belong to any caste. Similarly, people from any caste could join the order. फिर है आदि शंकराचार्य. नेक्स्ट इज आदि शंकराचार्य. तो born in poor yet pious Brahmin family in Kerala, Shankaracharya is remembered as one of the first Hindu thinkers who re-examined and reformed what? Early Vedic philosophy. So doctrine of Advaita propagated by him, wherein the joining of the individual soul and supreme good was emphasized. He considered world to be illusion or maya. Renunciation of the world was prescribed by him to attain salvation. And to lay the foundation of 4 mathas, मतलब मोनेस्टिक सेंटर्स जैसे श्रृंगेरी कर्नाटका, द्वारका गुजरात, पूरी उड़ीसा, ज्योतिष मठ उत्तराखंड. Ramanuja Vaishya, Saint Ramanuja was born in Tamil Nadu in 11th century, believed in the equality of all human beings. And what he did, he spoke about the practice of forbidding lower caste from entering temples. Ramanuja preached the doctrine of Vishwadevata, or a qualified oneness, which taught that soul, even when united with the supreme God, remained what? Distinct. Then we have Virashvas, that we have Savitri Singh, who advocated monotheism and rejected caste system and authority of Veda, were known as Virashivas and Lingayats. Basavan, a social reformer from Karnataka, he belonged to the sect, member of varied social background and women. Now case study दी हुई आपकी Bashwana, that is Bhasveshwara, was of 12th century social reformer for Karnataka, founder of Virasaivism, Lingayat sect. और ये क्या नोटिस स्प्रेड करते हैं? शारनाज, शिवाशनाज, Virashivas, heroic Savitis, and Lingayat. Baswana rejected temple worship, plurality of gods, superstition, sacrificial rituals, ritualistic priesthood, caste and gender discrimination, or authorities of the Vedas. He believed in the equality of all human beings. He rejected the caste system, and what he encouraged? Discrimination. The Lingayat Diksha was a ritual that could be performed for both men and women, दोनों के लिए परफॉर्म होता है. He strongly believed, ये किसमें बिलीव करते थे? Monotheism में, and recognized only one god Shiva and emphasized on personal devotion of Shiva. He encouraged people to do their duty and follow their vocation. So he promoted dignity of labor. He propagations of monasticism, non-violence, equality of all. किसमें हेल्प करा? to transform the society. Then we have, he promoted collective discussion. और उन्होंने क्या करा? अनुभवा, मन डपा, means a whole or a spiritual experience both for men and women, दोनों के लिए लेके आए. And Bhashwana wrote Vachans to propagate his teaching. Vachans were short words composition, और ये कन्नड़ में थे, full of monastic ideas, humor, satire and personal devotion to Shiva. Now इसके 5 codes of conduct थे. First is लिंगाचारा, सदाचारा, शिवाचारा और भर्त्याचारा और गणाचारा. लिंगाचारा means worship of Shiva, मतलब in Lingayat form. Executions of one duty, और आप follow कर रहे हो vocation with honesty. शिवचारा accept Shiva as a god and believe in equality of all humans. Then we have Bhrityachara, show humility towards all. Now saints of Maharashtra. What happened between 13th and 17th century? Many saints of Maharashtra popularized Vithala, Vishnu worship. He worshipped Vithala for Pandharpur. The most important of Vaishya saints were Janeshwar, Namdev, Eknath and Tukaram. They also included important women saints like Sakkabai, the family of Chokhamela, who belonged to the untouchable. Then we have Maharkas. ये saints थे किसके? वाराकारीज के. They rejected ritual and composed devotional poems, जिसको हम अभंगास इन मराठी कहते हैं. They rejected caste differences, जो किस पे based थे? birth पे. And they did not believe in the idea of renunciation and preferred to live with their families. और अपनी families के साथ रहते थे. And they taught to serve, to follow human beings in need. They insisted that bhakti lay in sharing other pain. They believed that God resides in the heart of all people. In this way, a new humanistic idea emerged. Now, Nathpanthis, they were religious groups that criticized prevalent rituals and unequal social order. According to them, meditation of the formless Brahman and realization of oneness with him leads to what? Salvation. To achieve salvation advocated. Now, Bhakti movement in North India. So, the Bhakti movement gradually spread to North India by the 14th century. Several influential philosophers of North India was followed. First is Tulsidas accepted existing religious belief and practices, but he wanted to make these accessible to the people, to all the caste, including men. Right? He composed a famous epic Ramcharitmanas in Abdi language. This is a great example of devotion to Lord Ram. Surdas, ardent devotee of Lord Krishna. Right? Sursagara, Sur Sarwali, and Sahitya Lahari. Then we have Shankaradeva. He influenced Bhakti. इन्होंने भक्ति को influence करा. Saints of Assam. He was ardent devotee of Lord Vishnu, composed poems and plays in Assamese. इन्होंने नामघट establish करे. They gathered religious discussion and collective prayer and social function. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was a great saint from Bengal and ardent devotee of Lord Krishna. He rejected the caste system and encouraged everyone to join his path of bhakti through singing and dancing. Then we have Ravidas. He was a great saint who belonged to a caste considered untouchable. ये ardent devotee थे किसके? Lord Krishna. Mirabai was the wife of Crown Prince of Mewar. She was disciple of Ravidas. She gave her a life of luxury and become an ardent devotee of Lord Krishna. इन्होंने बहुत सारे devotional songs से भजन थे वो compose करे. Right? फिर है Kabir, one of the earliest and the most influenced Bhakti saint of North India, the son of Hindu widow. And he brought up in the house of Muslim weaver where he learned profession of weaving. He believed in one God whom he called several names such as Govinda, Hari, Sai, Sahib, Allah and Ram. He was against idol worship or rituals of religion इसके against थे. He opposed all forms of discrimination. He felt that a person can be reformed under the guidance of Guru as teacher. Kabir preached humanity, reverence, peace and love as necessary. His self-composed couplets called Doha enlightened us about the life and philosophy. Now, case study of Guru Nanak. So, Guru Nanak teachings came in the form of basis of new faith known as Sikhism. The follower Sikhism is known as Sikh. It is derived from Sanskrit word Shishya, meaning discipline. Guru Nanak was born in Talwandi, northwest Lahore. He composed hymns, singing them to accompaniment. And Guru Nanak laid emphasis on what? One God, poisonous character, conduct that need to be Guru or teacher. He strongly denounced superstition and idol worship. His ideals of liberation pursued the active life, irrespective था from caste, creed and color. ठीक है. और आपको सेक्रेट स्पेस है क्रिएटेड बाय गुरु नानक जिनको हम धर्मशाला कहते हैं, which is now known as गुरुद्वारा. Women were allowed to attend his ceremonies. Sufi movement. Sufism, the musical movement in Islam, emerged as rejected elaborated rituals, code of behavior and adultery. A large number of Sufis from Central Asia वो settled हुए जाके इंडिया में, and the establishment of Delhi Sultanate and several major Sufi center across subcontinent gave impetus to the Sufi movement. Now, Sufism is a belief that one can become united with God through meditation. Sufi philosophies क्या बताती है कि religious जो practices है such as Spinake, they believed in the heart and could be trained to look at the world in different ways. Sufis mix freely with the people of lower caste, right? The devotion. Now we have Sufi developed elaborate method of training using zikr, changing of name, compensation, dancing, discussion. The devotional songs of Sufi was Qawwali continue to be extremely popular. इसको हम मुरीद कहते हैं. Both the Pir and his discipline lived together in Khankhas. They started as a kind of rest house for travelers, but later came to resemble a monastic establishment. So, when the head of the Khang died, his grave order Dargah became pilgrim center, and the succession of Pir was now silsila and religious order, each following a slightly different method of instruction. The main Sufi religion की बात करें, कुछ important peers हैं, जैसे ख्वाजा मऊद्दीन चिश्ती, कुतुबुद्दीन बख्तियार काकी ऑफ दिल्ली, बाबा फरीद ऑफ पंजाब, ख्वाजा निजामुद्दीन औलिया ऑफ दिल्ली और बंदे नवाज गेजू तराज ऑफ गुलबर्ग. Now, impact of social religious movement. Historically, India has a long tradition of syncretic culture. Many religions have coexisted peacefully over centuries in our country. The intersection of faiths, beliefs and practices, they have encouraged evolution of Indian composite culture. Medieval Bhakti and Sufi movements, similar in their emphasis on devotion, love for God, also strengthened Indian composite culture. Both the Sufi and the Bhakti movement किस पे emphasize करती थी? Tolerance पे और non-violence पे, and thus promoted coexistence of all the community. Bhakti and the Sufi teaching continue to play an important role in our society. They emphasize on following ideas: universal brotherhood, equality of all human beings, rejection of caste system, abandonment of elaborated expensive rituals, and encouragement of local language. Right, this all they tell about. Now a chapter has been completed. We will meet in next class. Thank you.